Good morning, children. Yes, last class what we have studied, children? GS, right, children? Yes, what we have studied in GS, children? Which lesson? Third lesson, right? We are third lesson. In third lesson, what topic we have studied? Wash my hand, clean and neat. Neat, right, children? Wash our hand. Wash my hand, clean and neat. Clean and neat, yes. Before going to numbers, today I am taking numbers. Before going for numbers, I have a small rhymes. Shall we start now, children? Yes. They are in page number 69, children. Page number 69. Page number 69. Yes. There is Bunny Rabbit. What's the rabbit name? Bunny. B-U-N-Y. Bunny. Bunny Rabbit. What's the rabbit name? Bunny Rabbit. You should keep your hands like this. Okay. Bunny Rabbit. Bunny Rabbit. What can you do? You should action, right, children? Yes. Okay. Start with me. 1 second. Just keep your explore like this, okay? Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? Say once again, children. Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? The Bunny Rabbit, what can him say? Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? I can walk, I can jump, I can walk, I can jump, I can dance, I can run, I can skip, I can sleep. 7 seconds, children. Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? I can walk, I can jump, I can dance, I can run, I can skip, I can sleep. 7 seconds, children. Bunny Rabbit, what can the Bunny Rabbit do, children? You should tell now, okay? Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? I can walk. You should show this, okay? I can walk. You should action, children. I can walk. Next, I can jump. I can dance. I can run, I can skip, I can sleep. 7 seconds, children. Okay. Bunny Rabbit, what can you do? I can walk. Yes, I can jump. I can dance. I can run. I can skip. I can sleep. Yes, I hope you loved it. Yes? Yes. Now we go for numbers, okay? Now we go for numbers. Write 10 to 100 in figures. They are given write 10 to 100 in figures, okay? I write 10 here, children. Okay. This 0 is ones and this is tens. How come? I will tell you. After 0, after one digit number we call ones. One digit number. This is one digit number. 1, 2, 3 like this. We should write, children. This is all one digit number. One digit number. Of before this we should write 1 means this is 11, right, children? This is 1 and this is in tens place. This is in ones place and this is in tens place. So now tell me, there is 20. Okay, this is in which place? 0 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. Okay, tens place. Yes, I will write 45. 5 is in 1 place. 5 is in 1 place. I will not write this. So 5 is in which place? 1's place. 5 is in 1's place. After this I will write 3. 35. 35 means 3 is in which place? 3 is in 10's place. 3 is in 10's place. I will write 100 now. 100. Okay. Now tell me, which is the 1's place? Last. We call this 1's. Yes. After this, before this, 1's before, we call this 10's. After this is hundreds. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. I hope you understood. Hundreds, tens, ones. One digit number we call ones. Two digit number we call tens. 3-digit number we call hundreds. Okay. Now you only tell me. They are given 10. Where shall I write 1? Where shall I write 0? 0 I write here and 1 I write here. This is 10? No, yes. We should write 1, 0. This is 10. 1, 0. This is 10. See here. I wrote 10. 0 in which place, children? 1's place. 0 is in 1's place. 1 is in 10's place. Next we go for 20. Where shall I write 2? Yes, 10's place. 0 in 1's place. Next 30. 3 in 10's place. 0 in 1's place. When it starts we 1, 2, 3 like this, children, you should write in 1's place only. Whenever there is a 2-digit number, we should write what shall I give? 21. They are given 21 means we should write 10's place 2 and 1's place 1. Okay. In 1 digit means we should write it only 1's place. Okay. 2-digit number they are given means you should write it 10's and 1's. Okay. Yes. Next, what shall we write? 40. They are given 40 means 4, 0, 40. Next, like this, you should write till 100. Okay. 80, 90, 100. They have given 100. What shall we do now, children? They are given 100. Shall I write like this? No. This is wrong. 100, tens. Whenever you should, when you're reading, you should start from here. Okay, not from here. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. Yes. They are given 100 now. 100. Where I want to write 0? Sorry, where I want to write 1? In tens place? No. 100 means 1, 0, 0. 100. Okay. 1, 0, 0, 100. 1 is in 100 place. 0 is in tens place and last 0 is in 1's place. Now tell me, shall I write 1 here? 1, 0, 0. This is right? No. 1, 0, 0, 100. 1, 0, 0, 100. 1 digit number we call 0. 2 digit number we call tens. 3 digit number we call 100. I hope you understood. Next class just I will revise it. Okay. Yes. Now we go for right. 2's are 100. They are given 2's are 100. Yes. 100 children. You should write this 3 times in class work. Okay, I will send you in the WhatsApp. Okay. Next, they are given write 2's up to 100. They are given. Okay. First, we should write 2. Okay. After 2, we should add 2. After 2, 3, 4. We should write 4 here. After this 2. You should count it, just keep your 2 finger only. Okay. What we wrote first? 2. After 2, 3, 4. Yes. After 2, after 4, 5, 6. Yes. Next, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Only 2 we should add up. Okay. Only 2 we should add up. So, can you see it? I wrote 2. After 2, 3, 4. After 2, 5, 6. After 2, 7, 8. After 2, 9, 10. Like this you should write. Okay. Next, after 10, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 11, 12. After 2, after 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. Yes. After 14, you should add 2. 15, 16. Yes. 15, 16. Next, 17, 18. 19, 20. Like this till 100. Till 100 you should count only 2. Okay children. Yes. Next 20. 21, 22. 21, 22. Next 23, 24. 25, 26. 27, 28. 29, 30. Yes. 31, 32. 30, 33, 34. 35, 36. 37, 38. 39, 40. Like this, you should till write 100. I will send you in the WhatsApp. Just see that, and after that you should write till 100. Okay. Just see once, and after this you should don't see the book and you should write. Okay. Here, to test there is this one. So you should don't see the book. You should write in rough note. Okay. Then only you can understand. What we want to do now? Okay, just tell me that for after 40, 41. I will write here 41. This is right? No. You should write 42. Next 43, 44. 45, 45, 46. 47, 48. 49, 50. Yes, I hope you understood children. I will send you in the WhatsApp. You should write in your homework book and class work both. Okay. Yes. Now we go for addition table. Next we go for addition table. Okay. They are given 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. In my one finger there is 1. Okay. In another finger there is 0. 1 plus 0. What children? In this hand I did not open any finger. In this hand I opened one finger. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. Okay. In this finger there is no. So in this hand I didn't open any finger. Right children? Yes. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, in this finger I opened one finger. Sorry, in this hand I opened one finger, and in this hand I opened one finger. 1 plus 1, just count 1, and this is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Yes. Next, 1 plus 3. They have given 1 plus 3. In this hand I opened 1, and in this hand I opened 2. Just count it, children. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Just count it. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next, they have given 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. Just count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Or 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Next, just see. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Yes. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 1 plus means you should add, children. Okay, you should add. Just you should add this finger also and this 5 finger also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 is equal to what number will come, children? 6. Yes, like that. 1 plus 6, 7. You should add this, children, by 6. 6 plus 1, we have 6 finger. Okay. Just we should add 1 finger. What number will come, children? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number will come? 7. Just add one number. Okay. Next, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. Like this, they have given. They have given here 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. They have changed number. Okay. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1. We should add 1. Okay. Just 1, 2, 3. They are given 3 and plus 1 will 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Yes. Say once again, children. What is this? This is addition table. Addition means add, plus. You can see here plus. Addition means we should add. Okay. Subtraction means I will tell in some other classes. Okay. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 means don't write 0, children. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 10, 11. Yes. Next, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Yes. Like this, you should write in your homework book and class work both. Okay. I hope you understood this also. How can it come? After 2, we should add 2 numbers. Okay. In this table, they are given one number, and this 2's up to 100. Okay, 2's up to 100 they are given. I wrote only 50. You should write till 100. Till 100. Don't forget. Okay, children. After 2, what shall we do? 2 after 3, 4. What number I wrote? 4 number. Which I number wrote? I 4 number. Next, 4 after 5, 6 like this. You should write. Okay, till 100. Okay. Thank you. Next, I will send you class again. WhatsApp. You should write in your homework book and classroom. Thank you.